Bill Gates was asked if there was someone richer than him. His reply will melt your heart. Back when Bill Gates was the richest man on the earth, someone asked him, "Is there anyone richer than you in the world?" Bill Gates replied, "Yes, there's a person who is richer than me. It was when I wasn't rich or famous. I was at the New York airport and I saw a newspaper vendor. I wanted to buy one newspaper and I realized I didn't have change. So I left the idea of buying and returned it to the vendor. I told him of not having the change. The vendor said, "I am giving you this for free." On his insistence, I took the newspaper. Coincidentally, after 2 to 3 months, I landed on the same airport and again I was short of change to buy a newspaper. The vendor offered me the newspaper again. I refused and said, "I can't take it as I don't have change today, too." He said, "You can take it. I'm sharing this from my profit. I won't be at a loss." I took the newspaper. After 19 years, I became famous and known by people. Suddenly, I remembered that vendor. I began searching for him. After 1.5 months, I found him. I asked him, "Do you know me?" He said, "Yes, you are Bill Gates." I asked him again, "Do you remember once you gave me free newspapers?" The vendor said, "Yes, I remember. I gave you twice." I said, "I want to repay. I want to repay that help you offered me that time. Whatever you want in life, tell me. I shall fulfill it." He said, "Sir, don't you think by doing so, you won't be able to match my help?" I asked, "Why?" He said, "I helped you when I was a poor newspaper vendor, but you are trying to help me now when you have become the richest man in the world. How can you help my match?" That day I realized the newspaper vendor was richer than I was because he didn't wait to become rich to help someone. People need to understand that the truly rich are those who possess a rich heart rather than lots of money. Kindness makes you the most beautiful person in the world, no matter what you look like.